In this video, we will discuss the use of the field called status. I will start with the teacher's list, and you will notice on the top right corner the term status, and everyone basically is set as active. The status is a field we use to sort records, to tell the staff the situation for both personnel and for reports and for everything in the whole system. So that's very, very common to see the status shown. And for example, here you can see that there are quite a few different statuses settings for the staff, and in this case we have everyone as active and just the typical. You will then notice if we change this to all, we then bring up all the staff, and you will see that we have in the staff list more people than are on staff currently, and we see people who have quit, who have resigned, or were candidates. People are no longer just temporarily inactive. We've got volunteers and so on. This is very typical of how the system operates, and I will I'll pause for a second and go to the student and show you that. Moving over to the list of students, we have about 50 of 110 students shown. And you'll see the status at the very top is active. Student status is active. And all these students are active, and they're set up by grade. Now, if we change to all students, we have a different situation. You'll notice we have the applicants first, then we have the active students. Down here we have the students who have quit, and here at the bottom we have students who have graduated. So that's how this information is used. When we go back to the students, we just go into the active students. Those are the people that are being taught in the school at the present time. We can then slip over to the applicants here, which are just the students who have applied, in the process of applying, and we can even get the pre-applicants. In this case, we don't have any at this point in time. One last thing, we'll then move over to, I can just pull this out, pull this screen in. This is the incident report, and you will see that we have got two incident reports, most recent at the top, and the status is draft or issued. What this means is that when a new report was initiated, which I did with this one, as you can see, if I open it up, there's nothing, there's no information. I just simply created it so we could do this video. But once I issue a PDF of that and email it, it then changes to the status issued. Color red, color blue. That's the standard format everywhere you'll see in the system.